Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell wallpaper on Gumroad. First things first, you want to create your account on Gumroad. So you can go to gumroad.com and then click on Start Selling. Then you're going to want to log in, and there are several ways on which you can do that. You can use your Facebook account, Google account, your X account, or even your Stripe. Or maybe if you would like to do it manually, you can just go ahead and insert your email and password. I'm just going to go with my Google for now, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Google. Alright, so I have created my account. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this Create Your First Product. So here I'm going to show you how to create the wallpaper with the help of Canva. You can use any other designing app if you want. You can use Adobe, or you can use whatever designing apps you feel are the most comfortable for you. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the wallpaper with Canva and how you can create the thumbnail as well as the banner for your product. And you don't have to fear about people simply screenshotting your wallpaper and not buying the stuff instead. So what we're going to do is we're going to click this digital product, and you can set your price. For example, I want to add just $1 here. Add the name of your product. So I'm going to create a cat theme wallpaper. So I'm going to be cute cat wallpaper, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Alright, so you can see here we'll be able to see the name of our product. We can add our description, we can create the URL, and the thing that we're going to create is obviously going to be the wallpaper itself, and then we got the cover as well as the thumbnail. So there are going to be three things that we're going to create today. Now I'm going to head to Canva, and today I'm going to be using Canva free. And on the search bar here, I'm going to search for wallpaper, desktop wallpaper. So I'm going to click here, and you can start with the available templates if you want to. You can see here that they have a bunch of templates that you can use, or you can even start from scratch. So let's say I'm just going to start it from scratch. I'm going to go ahead and click create a design, and again I'm going to type desktop wallpaper, and we're going to start designing from here. Now there is a bunch of things that you can do with Canva. You can upload your own picture if you want to. Maybe you have some cute picture you want to use as the background of your wallpaper, or you can play around with the element combinations here. So I'm going to search for cats on the element sections, and I'm going to see what I can find. And here are some of the picture that I can use. There are some that are really cute, and I just have to make sure I don't choose the one with the crown symbol, because it means that it is only accessible with the pro account. Maybe I want to use this one. I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to add a text. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to find a bunch of text combination that you can use. I think I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to put my cat over here, make it a tad bit smaller so it looks like he's leaning on the text. And then I'm going to change this to black cat. Make it a little bit smaller so that it's going to be one sentence instead of, and I want to change the color of this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this symbol, and you can see that they're going to give me a bunch of color that I can choose from, or I can just go ahead and click on this color wheel and create my own color. If I know the hex code, I can also just insert it through here. I'm gonna try and change it to dark red, something like this. Looks pretty nice. So I think I'm going to work with this one. I'm just going to go ahead and highlight everything, group them so that it becomes one picture, and I want to make sure that they are in the middle of the screen. So I'm just going to adjust it like so. Now I'm not going to be using it on this design, but this is also another thing that you can do. You can go ahead and click on Magic Media here, and you can start designing your own picture. Let's say I want the prompt to be black cat playing with white cat, and you can choose the styles of the picture. You want it to be maybe in watercolor or maybe an anime photo, or you can go ahead and click and see all to find even more option. Let's say I want it to be in the form of maybe playful. It looks kind of cute. And for the ratio, I want it to be on landscape. And now you can go ahead and click generate image to create your own AI image. You can see that we got some picture created. Let's try one of them, like this one right here. You can use it as the base of your design and start from here. I'm just going to work with this one for now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open Canva on another tab. And the reason why I do that is because we will need to create two other things, which is the thumbnail, and it's going to be in the form of square, and then the cover, and this is the measurement that we will need to create. So if you're using Canva Pro, you'll be able to resize it easily by clicking on this resize button. And you can just choose on, for example, I want it to resize in the form of Instagram post. I can go ahead and click copy and resize, and then it's going to automatically resize my design for me. All right, so it's already created. I'm going to open the one that are going to be our thumbnail, and this is how it looks like. And I'm just going to show you how you can do it if you don't have Canva Pro account. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home section once again on Canva, click on create a design. Then you want to click on the custom size option, and then you can just copy this. So it's going to be 1280 by 720 pixel. Then you want to go ahead and click create new design. And now all you have to do is just highlight everything, click Ctrl C, and then Ctrl V on your new design, like so. So it looks some things like this. Now again, we don't want people to steal the design, so what we're going to do is we're going to add some sort of watermark. And you can do that by maybe adding a logo if you already have one, or if not, you can just add a text. I'm going to add a text box, and let's say I'm going to name it with the name of my business. It's going to be Sunshine Design. And I'm going to change the font. It's going to be the season, and I'm going to tilt it like so, make it a tad bit smaller. And I'm just going to copy and paste this all across the design, but I'm going to lower the transparency, so it's going to be around this much. And then we can just Ctrl C and click on Ctrl V and put it all over the design. Alright, so I added the copyright all over the picture as well as the one for the thumbnail. Now what we're going to do is we're going to download this picture. So we're going to go ahead and click on download, make sure that it is a good quality and the right pixel. So I'm going to go ahead and download this one, and then this one, and this one. All right, now that we got all of that downloaded, we can continue with the product creation. So for the description, you can put whatever you want. I'm just going to say cute black cat theme wallpaper, reseller are not allowed. All right, and then we're going to create the custom URL. So it's going to be BCE by Sunshine And if you have custom domain, you can also edit here. I don't have one, so I'm just going to leave it there, and then I'm going to upload the cover image. So I'm going to go ahead and click to my download section, and this is the one for the cover, and then this one is for the thumbnail. All right, so this is how it looks like. And now you're going to go ahead and edit some more, like edit the product info. Maybe you want to change the call to action, and then you can add summary if you want. You can add additional details and edit your integration as well as your pricing. And if you had more than one variation, you can also edit here. But now we're going to go to the content here, and we're just going to go ahead and drag our design to here. Now it's done, and you can straightly publish if you want, or you can just save changes. I'm gonna go and publish this wallpaper, and now we got the product published. Now let's take a look at how it looks like. Alright, you can see now this is how it looks like. We got the cover ready, and we will know that no one will simply screenshot this because I got the watermarks added. And if I click on I want this, it's going to bring me to the payment section, and it's going to show the cover again with the watermark, so all is safe. And that's basically it. That is how you can sell wallpaper on Gumroad. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.